on there. Take this. After you get it on there, just want to make sure it's level. And this is WD-40, just kind of like a lubricant, so it goes in easier.
Are you bushing? They're bushings, right?
Yeah. Make sure that's on there. Turn it over. Sometimes there's extra stuff in the bushing and we have to cut it off.
Oh, okay.
And that,
Like trim it off?
yeah, that takes like
A while.
couple minutes. Yeah. But luckily this one wasn't bad, so
How do you trim it with?
just use a knife and just cut away at the extra stuff that's right
Oh,
there.
it's not that hard of a material?
We're gonna do the same thing as this one.
If it'll help you, yeah. Later, like,
The what?
if it'll help you guys later, yeah, I don't mind.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
I mean, you could say like a way to avoid it would be, it's just the only thing, the reason why it does it is because these aren't clean enough.
Oh.
So like this one right here might do it.
So they need to be properly cleaned? Like,
Yeah. There's probably just something, and it could be something small too that just got in there.
So that's like a defect rate, right? Like you have to fix it. So yeah.
Yeah, you have to fix it. How's Greg doing, Luke?
Good, just staying busy. But he's doing good.
See that little bit of extra right there?
Yeah. Are you gonna have to cut that off?
Yeah.
What kind of material is it? Like a
It's
plastic?
like a rubber, I think. I mean, we do have these things to kind of help speed that process up, but see how it cuts away at it?
Yeah. Oh, so that's how you cut it off?
Yeah, sometimes you have to use a knife though, and that's just it's a pain in the butt.
Okay, that's good to know. You don't use gloves?
Not really. It's hard to keep them clean, like
Not
especially
ripped?
like with all the grease and stuff. So I'll just use soap. Grab soap and a rag really
Like
quick.
even the blue gloves? I saw them using blue gloves over there
Yeah, but it's kind of easier
to work without
when you're
them.
like taking stuff apart because everything's dirty, you know. Like you don't have to worry about like when we grease up all the like the seals and stuff. Like it has to, your fingers have to be clean. You can't keep using the gloves, so it's kind of hard. But we do have gloves. Keep them right here.
Oh.
Like, so you have to cut that off.
Mm-hmm.
Usually it would just pull off, but. Alright, and that's that. Excuse me, Felix. Go ahead and put it over here.
gonna hone it a little bit?
Yeah, I'm gonna clean it.
You're gonna hone it a little bit? Okay. So that's part of the assembly.
Show you that first.
Alright. So explain as much as you can to her.
Yeah.
She's got any questions, okay?
He has.
Alright.
It's easier because, yeah. The Spanish was hard. I mean, I know Spanish, but I don't.
I don't think that they're not working anymore.
Yeah. You watch it now. Alright, and clean it.
You have to clean it?
Yeah, to clean like the inside and
Oh, it's not clean already?
no, I wanted you to see it.
Oh, okay.
So you're gonna be cleaning 3 parts, this hole, and then this hole right here. I already cleaned this, but then I thought about
Yeah.
like if you wanna watch it, you know?
Yeah. That'll help. Sorry.
Okay, don't worry about it. Just take this thing. And just kind of, this little brush just cleans out all the threads and if there's anything on the very bottom. And that. And you spray some on the inside. Grab this thing. The stones have like little diamonds on them.
Oh.
They clean and scrape off.
The thing inside?
Yeah, like any debris or like all the little rust and stuff like that.
Oh. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. So this is polish, piston, and blend clean parts. Is that considered honing then?
Yeah. Well, there's 2 different types of honing. There's this one, and then there's the power honing, and that's when you have to use.
Oh, that's specifically honing, huh?
Yeah, that's when there's like big scrapes going along on the inside of it. Then you would power hone it.
So this is like a polish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. And then after you get done doing that, you would take a flashlight.
So that's like an additional inspection?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because if
You guys always do that?
yeah, we do it all the time.
And when you put the bushing in there, that's considered the reassemble process.
It's part of the reassembly, yeah. This is all part of it. So like the cleaning of the inside of the barrels and the bushings. And we do have to clean these 2. I didn't show you though. But we clean those.
Okay.
I can clean one for you if you want. It's just kind of it's really messy. And then this is like the thing we test it with. We just put it in there.
Make sure
See
it's
if
clean.
it fits. Yeah.
Okay.